What are the punishments for spying on an individual regardless of relation as per the UAE laws? Individual privacy is highly respected and protected in the UAE. Privacy violations in the UAE can invite both jail term or fines for offenders. What are the most common forms of breach in individual privacy? Eavesdropping, recording conversations without the knowledge of the person, installing tracking devices on the phone, installing tracking devices on a vehicle are acts that can be punished for privacy violation if they are committed without the consent and knowledge of the other person whose privacy is being breached. In addition, similar sentences can be imposed for bugging cars, tapping phones, or putting someone under surveillance without their consent. All the above actions are a breach of privacy under the UAE laws. What are the penalties or punishment for offenders? Proven offenders can be imposed with fines ranging from 10,000 dirhams and more and could also include jail term. All devices or apparatus that were used in committing the crime will also be confiscated, and an order will be given to erase all relative recordings and destroy the devices or apparatus. Is it considered a breach in privacy if it's with your spouse or any immediate relative? The privacy laws in the UAE apply to all individuals regardless of relation. In addition, it should be noted that the court provides privacy protection even within the structure of a family. In reference to Article 378 of the UAE Penal Code, as amended by Federal Law No. 34, dated 24/12/2005, states the provisions concerning privacy protection in the UAE as shall be subject to a jail sentence or a fine whoever violates the private or familial life of individuals by perpetrating one of the following acts, unless authorized by law or without the victim's consent. A. If he lends his ear, records or transmits through an apparatus of any kind conversations that took place in a private place or through the telephone or any other apparatus. B. Captures or transmits through any kind of apparatus the picture of a person in a private place.
For more of our latest updates, like and subscribe to this channel.